Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2022 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury featured in radiant silver metallic with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated and vented front seats, heated steering wheel, power sunroof, power liftgate, HD surround vision, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, liftgate controls down below. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating, lumbar and massaging seats, and we can hop inside. Taking a look at the steering wheel on the left side here, we have our cruise control with forward collision alert and the heated steering wheel, and on the right side, of course, we have our cluster as well as audio controls. Taking a look at the infotainment screen, starting off with our audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We have turn-by-turn directions from OnStar. And of course, we also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse is our backup camera and the surround vision. Just below that, we have our climate controls with heated and vented front seats for both driver and passenger, lane keep assist, hazards, and our parking sensors with some storage down below. Here we have our infotainment screen controls, 2 cup holders, wireless phone charging, and the center console, storage up top as well as down below. Here we have our rear view mirror. It is digital. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the power sunroof controls. Here's the sunroof, and here is the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels. We have color matching rear caps and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, we have some Cadillac badging with XT4 and of course the all-wheel drive. To open up the back, we can just double click on the key fob. It's going to pop open. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on either side for added visibility. We can drop these rear seats down, making a ton of extra storage space. Not to mention the hidden storage down below that houses the spare tire. It's a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, cup holder down below. We have a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. At the back of each seat, we have magazine holders. In the middle are rear vents, rear heated seats, 2 USBs. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of the power sunroof, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2022 Cadillac XT4 Premium Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.